Today we're gonna cook beef stew. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ingredients plus spices. Leave for 20 minutes until blood will come out from meat. Meanwhile, prepare all other ingredients. Put potato in a water and wash other ingredients. Change water twice. Remove the foam from boiling meat. Reduce the heat to low and cook for 1 hour. It's really hard to cut, so we will put it to boil for approximately 10 minutes. Remove in 10 minutes and cut on small pieces. In 1 hour, remove the meat, cut it into bite pieces and put it back. Puree garlic and chop onion. Add garlic and onion to beef stew. Then add carrots, potatoes, 1 tomato. We need more than a half. We do not need this part. Cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of paprika and half of turmeric. Cook for additional 15 minutes. Add cilantro for last 5 minutes. Smells good.